Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is Best Coins One You Want to Miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. The 1924 Italian 2 Lire coin, also known as the buono, de 2 lire, has a fascinating place in Italian numismatic and political history. Here's the full long-form history of the coin, including its context, design, symbolism, and importa historical context. Post-WWI Italy and fascism. The coin was minted during the reign of King Vittorio Emanuele III, 1900–1946, a monarch whose rule spanned 2 world wars and the rise and fall of fascism in Italy, 1924, was under Benito Mussolini's fascist regime, which had seized power in 1922. The country was undergoing a rapid transformation, with fascism pushing nationalist propaganda through all state mechanisms, including coinage. This coin reflects the state ideology, combining traditional royal imagery with emerging fascist symbolism, most notably the fasces, an ancient Roman symbol adopted by Mussolini to represent unity and authority through strength design and symbolism. The coin was designed by Attilio Silvio Modi, obverse, and Publio Morbiducci, reverse, both prominent Italian engravers, obverse. Front portrait. Bust of King Vittorio Emanuele III facing left. In military uniform, Vittorio Emanuele III Re d'Italia, King of Italy, represents continuity and royal authority. Reverse, back. Main feature, a fasces with an axe blade, an ancient Roman magistrate symbol reinterpreted by fascism, buono. De Lire II, 1924 R buono, meaning voucher, signifies that the coin was originally part of a government-promoted economic scheme, meant to circulate like cash. The R mint mark stands for the Rome Mint. The fasces here is not just decorative, it was chosen deliberately to support Mussolini's emerging regime and convey strength, unity, and state control, purpose, and circulation unlike traditional coins. The 2 lire buono was part of a state effort to boost the post-war economy, which was suffering from inflation and social unrest. Serve as an emergency currency to back state expenses and daily transactions, normalize fascist imagery in everyday life, subtly shaping public sentiment. The coin circulated widely from 1923 to 1927, with the 1924 issue among the highest minted physical characteristics. Metal. Nickel, a sign of post-war metal shortages. Silver coins had become too expensive. Weight. 10.07 grams diameter, 29.1 mm edge, smooth mintage, 1924, over $45 million coins, making it relatively common today in lower grades. Legacy and numismatic interest. This coin is a transitional artifact between monarchy and dictatorship. It's one of the first coins to blend monarchy and fascist imagery, making it a key collectible. For students of European history, numismatists value it for its symbolism, political context, and artistic quality. Modern value. The coin is relatively affordable due to high mintage, but well-preserved specimens, especially uncirculated or proof. Coins can fetch higher prices among collectors. Average values: circulated, $2.10 or USD; uncirculated, 20, 100 plus USD, depending on grade. Proofs or rare varieties can exceed 200 plus. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.